Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tijani, or you can just call me JT.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tijani, or you can just call me JT. She is not JT. No, she's not JT. She's my mama. Anyways, as you guys can tell from the title today, I transformed my mom into me. How did I do it?
She tried. She just tried.
She's going to be the one telling you each steps and what I'll be using. Maybe not exactly what I use, but she's going to be telling you the steps, and I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. Without further ado, let's just jump into this transformation.
Yeah, that's nice. You can call it that. It's really transformation because I need to be to.
Okay, I'm going to start by prepping her face. I'm going to be using the Nivea primer spray. Just gonna let that sit in for a little bit. Then I'm gonna move on to our brows. I'm also gonna prep her brows because she does have oily skin as well, just like myself.
Now I'm using deep brown and chocolate.
Not deep brown. Deep brow.
Deep brown
in chocolate.
In chocolate. To get my brow flaky. Now I'm going to use concealer to conceal everything together. Now it's time to prep my face for foundation. For foundation today, I'm going to use MAC Studio Fix. What's
Olo ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ tútù?
You too. That the blood is too cold. Time to highlight.
With what?
With Pro Concealer. You have my number. It's time now to blend with Beauty Blender. Time to bake. Nice cake. Cake mo bottom bake. To bake you. Luau shoe. Táwa ṣe wà ń ṣàn góòdè ká tó dọ̀yà àgbà loose powder làwa ń pè ń bake.
This is not loose powder. Look at mommy. This is setting powder.
Okay, setting powder, and it's bake. Now JT is going to set my entire face to be glowing. Now I'm going to contour my face.
And your nose.
And my nose? Oh my gosh. Yep. I mean, like a lot of tissue, and it's choice. Time for eyeshadow. time for lashes. Ojú tó ń suspense. Time for lipstick. I'm using Labelli.
Label.
Label. Now it's time to set my entire face by JT. My first fruit. My daughter. Time to glow my face. To shaprapra. To shine
Oh my goodness.
We shine wele. Hey, má tún mi gbé kan sílé ni. My husband cannot wait to see me.
What are you doing? What is this?
On my head, my neck, my everything.
Oh God. Alright, dolls. This completes the look. How did I do? Does she look like me? Or do I look like her? I don't know which one.
Yeah, she looked like me.
I transformed you into me, so you look like me.
Oh, today. Okay?
Okay, fine. Anyways, dolls, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you'd like to see more of this. Although, I don't live with my mama. I live in the US. She lives in Canada. But let me know if you like this. Thank you for watching as always, dolls. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Thank you. Keep browsing, keep watching, and keep calling JT.
Bye.